Hello there. So we've got high pressure dominating this Christmas Eve, which means for many of us, it's a quiet day across the UK. Now, there is a lot of cloud around though. There will be some outbreaks of rain at times across northwest Scotland, and here it will be windy too. But elsewhere, a lot of quiet weather today and exceptionally mild for the time of year. Highs there, 13 or 14 degrees. And then it's a similar setup as we move through this evening and tonight. Still a few splashes of rain across the far northwest. Elsewhere, the odd break here and there, but for most of us, a lot of cloud that's going to keep us on the mild side, which means a rather warm start to the day on Christmas Day. But it will be quiet out there again, a bit of rain across the far northwest, but for most of us, dry out there, some brightness developing as we move through the afternoon. And again, our temperatures well above average for the time of year. Highs there up to around 11 or 12 degrees. And a similar setup on Boxing Day. Some rain will be sinking its way southwards and gradually turning cooler as we approach the weekend. Bye-bye for now. Hello again. Hope you've all had a lovely Christmas Eve so far. Well, no signs of a white Christmas this year. In fact, it is going to be exceptionally mild across the UK. We are expecting some rain at times across the far northwest, but for most of us, actually a good deal of dry weather throughout the festive period. Now, the reason for it, we can see here, we've got high pressure down towards the south. It's going to keep most of these areas largely dry out there, and the winds will be fairly light. You can see towards the north with low pressure not too far here. Outbreaks of rain at times across the far north, and it will be breezy on and off too. But all in all, it's fairly quiet and it is remaining very mild for the time of year. Now, out there for the rest of tonight, we'll still perhaps a few splashes of rain across the far northwest of Scotland, although those winds will continue to ease off as we move through the night. But elsewhere, a few clear breaks here and there, but for most of us it will be dry. A lot of cloud around tonight, then that's going to keep us on the mild side, those temperatures ranging between 9 and 11 degrees. So what that means for Christmas Day morning is a mild but a rather grey start to the day for many of us. Again, we've got some more rain at times across the far northwest, but for much of the UK, you can see that cloud will start to break up. We'll see some bright or sunny spells. The winds will be fairly light and temperatures will be feeling rather pleasant. This time we're looking at highs between 10 and 12 degrees. And if you are making plans on Boxing Day, well, again, a lot of cloud cover across the UK. We have got a weak front across the north that's gradually going to be sinking its way southwards. Although for most of us, a good deal of dry weather throughout daylight hours. And again, temperatures just a smidge above average. Highs ranging between 9 and 11 degrees. Merry Christmas. Bye-bye.